Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce mobile app, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Salesforce mobile app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, tap on the app icon to launch it. You will be greeted with a login screen. Enter your Salesforce username in the designated field. Make sure to type your username accurately. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Double-check that your password is correct. If you forgot your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button. Tap on the Login button to proceed. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may see a different login screen. Follow the prompts for single sign-on to log in. Once your credentials are authenticated, you will be taken to the home page. You may be prompted to allow notifications. Choose your preference. Explore the features available on the mobile app. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also review your username and password for accuracy. This completes the login process for the Salesforce mobile app. You are now ready to use Salesforce on your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.